everybody, welcome to my channel. Guess what? Guess what? We are already in December.
Everybody,
it's December. I'm wearing my Christmas hat. This year went by so quickly. Do you agree with me?
How about you tell me which month has been your favorite this year and why? Do you want to know mine, guys?
Please leave me a comment down below, friends, and I'll make sure I reply to all your comments. I'm waiting for your comments. Waiting for your comments. And our beautiful, beautiful princesses are ready to wear their Christmas dresses. Are you ready to see them in their Christmas dresses? Let's get started.
So, what do we need for today? Some Play-Doh, what else? Oh, a roller, glitter, shining glitter. What else do we need? Some wool balls, some clear glue, and then oh, the most important of all, our Disney princess.
Come on, my beautiful princess. Where are you? I'm waiting.
Yay! Princess Anna is the first lucky one. Now that we have everything ready, let's get started with Princess Anna. For Princess Anna's Christmas dress, I'm gonna be using some red Play-Doh. Loads of shining red glitter.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Let's make a glittery skirt for Anna this Christmas.
We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring.
Some little flowers.
We wish you a Merry
Time for her little red Christmas hat, just like mine.
pudding, for we all
Well, mine doesn't have glitter though. I love glitter.
out here. The tidings we bring.
And a little pom-pom.
Kid. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
Princess Anna is looking so cute, so adorable. I just love her Christmas dress. Do you like her, friends?
Wow!
If you like her, friends, give this video a big thumbs up. Thumbs up. Thumbs up, everybody. Thumbs up. Let's see who's the next princess.
Come on, my beautiful princess. Where are you?
Our beautiful Queen Elsa. Are you ready to see Elsa in her new dress? Let's get started. Some green Play-Doh. Time to make a glittery green skirt for Elsa. A beautiful Christmas skirt for my beautiful Queen Elsa. Which one is your favorite Disney princess, friends? Please let me know. Her beautiful red top. A little black belt. Her cute little hat. A little green pom-pom. Beautiful Queen Elsa is ready in her beautiful dress.
Wow, Elsa, you look so adorable in your Christmas dress. Anna, you look so pretty too.
Both sisters are looking so pretty together. Now you have to tell me which one is your favorite. I'm waiting for your comments. My favorite is
Queen Elsa.
Now, do you want to see the dress of our next princess? Or I've got an awesome idea. How about we make a snowman for Elsa and Anna? Let's get started. We just need some white Play-Doh.
Some glitter. This is quite easy, guys. Why don't you try making one? And let me know how it turned out to be. His two little eyes, nose, and a little smile. Snowman's colorful scarf for Christmas. almost done. Just some glitter. Now that the snowman is ready, Anna and Elsa can come and play with him. Meanwhile, I can make a new Christmas dress for a new princess. Let's see who's the next princess. Oops, here she comes. Tiana. Tiana will be wearing a red and white skirt. So shining.
Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding. Oh, bring us a figgy pudding and a cup of good cheer. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy new year.
Tiana and Princess Anna looking so cute in their red dresses. But which one is your favorite, friends? Do you prefer Anna or Princess Tiana? Princess Belle.
Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Oh Christmas tree, thy leaves are so unchanging. Not only green when summer's here, but also when 'tis cold and drear. Oh Christmas tree, oh Christmas tree.
Beautiful. Princess Belle is ready. She's looking so adorable.
Christmas tree, much pleasure thou canst give me.
Our little snowman, Queen Elsa, Anna, Tiana, Princess Belle, all of them are ready for Christmas and they are looking so adorable.
Wow, beautiful. I love them. Do you like them?
Thanks for watching, everybody. Hope you've enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe, everybody. See you soon.